Ipob South Africa set to inaugurate Liaison head office in Johannesburg, marking a milestone in global Biafran advocacy. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, the prominent self-determination movement advocating for the independence of the Biafran sovereignty in West Africa, is gearing up for a significant expansion of its international footprint. On February 21, 2026, Ipob South Africa will officially inaugurate its Liaison head office in Johannesburg, a move designed to strengthen diplomatic outreach, coordinate diaspora activities, and amplify the call for Biafran self-determination on the African continent. This announcement, which has generated happiness across social media platforms, underscores Ipob's strategic push to establish formal liaison offices worldwide. The Johannesburg event is poised to serve as a hub for Biafran activists in Southern Africa, facilitating coordination with global chapters and fostering alliances with like-minded independence movements. Ipob maintains a vast global network, with members in over 120 countries funding its operations. The Johannesburg inauguration fits into a broader Ipob initiative to open liaison offices in strategic locations. Scheduled for 1 p.m. local time at 2nd floor, Suite 215, number 13 Wanderers Street, Johannesburg Dara House and St. Mary's Cathedral, the ceremony invites supporters worldwide to attend, promising a platform for networking, speeches, and cultural displays of Biafran heritage. Special invitee Mazi Chukwudi Obiukwu, Southern African representative, will join key figures such as Mazi Tony Nzuramika, Deputy Head of Directorate of State's Guest of Honor, Mazi Austin Agbanyim, European Chief, Father of the Day, and Lolo Uchechi Okwu Kanu, Mother of the Day. Johannesburg, South Africa's bustling economic capital, was chosen for its symbolic and practical value. As the continent's financial nerve center, it offers proximity to international organizations, African Union affiliates, and a vibrant Nigerian diaspora community. The city's role in hosting global events makes it an ideal base for Ipob to engage policymakers and human rights advocates. South Africa's history of overcoming apartheid resonates with Ipob's liberation narrative. The liaison office will handle administrative functions, media outreach, and community mobilization, potentially including legal aid for Biafran asylum seekers fleeing Nigerian crackdowns. This inauguration follows Ipob's international growth pattern, with chapters in Europe, the US, and Canada hosting rallies and awareness campaigns. The Johannesburg launch signals Ipob's evolution into a proto-diplomatic entity, poised to influence African discourse on self-determination. With special invitee Mazi Chukwudi Obiukwu and other key attendees, the event on February 21, 2026, promises to transform virtual solidarity into tangible action in the pursuit of Biafran sovereignty. Family Writers Press International.